Hi everyone, I am Dipanshu Garg and welcome you all on an Academy Catalyst. So this is Quant 100 important questions, short tricks, right? By Dipanshu Garg, it's me, okay? And this is trick 11. So now, first of all, some important announcements. Everyone subscribe now for Iconic Cat 2021. And the benefits of Iconic is personal mentor, test analysis, OMATs preparation, and all benefits of Plus are included. And also get mentored by graduates from top B schools, right? And these are the graduates from top B schools. Unacademy learners CAT 2020 with flying colors. These are the learners who score more than 99 percentile in CAT. And also enroll now. For the new batches, 10th of April Ultimate Weekend Batch for CAT 2021, 12th of April Master Weekday Batch for CAT 2021, Supreme Weekday Batch for CAT 2021. These are the new batches for CAT 2021. Okay, so everyone enroll now. Now, weekly scholarship test on every Sunday. Weekly scholarship test on every Sunday. ठीक है. So if you want to join this test, so apply referral code GERG Live and also apply this referral code if you want to download an Academy app and join free classes. So for the free content also apply this referral code. So download now an Academy app. Okay, and the new prices effective from 14th of April. Now this is only last 4 days, and these are the plans for 1 month. This is 3500, and after hike this is 4100. For 1 year 17,500. For 2 years this is 21,000 currently, right? After hike this will becomes that. Okay, and if you apply my referral code GERG so you will get 1 year subscription in 15,750. For 2 years this is 18,900. So apply now. And now, okay, now the homework of last session, right? A person sells three articles first at a person sell three articles first at 10% loss, second at 20% profit, and third at 25% loss, right? If SP of each is equal, find overall profit or loss percent. Find overall profit or loss percent. So now, here's what CP, profit or loss, then selling price. Okay, so this is a 10%. 10% means 1 by 10. So loss of 10% means a loss of 1 on 10 CP, right? If the CP is 10, there is a loss of 1, then the selling price will be 9. Okay, if the profit is 20%, then it means 1 by 5. So if the CP is 5, then the profit of 1, so the selling price is what? 6. And if the loss of 25%, then it means 1 by 4. It means if CP is 4 and the loss of 1, then the selling price is 3, right? Now what can I do? Selling price of each, SP of each is equal by SP of each is equal, then take the LCM of 9, 6 and 3. So the value is what? 18. So 9 2 is 18, 6 3 is 18 and 3 6 is 18. So now multiply this by 2, this by 2 and this by 3, 3, this by 6 and 6. Find overall profit or loss, right? Overall CP is what? 10 into 2, 20, 15 and 24. So it becomes what? 20 plus 15, 35, 35 plus 24, 59. And you are selling in 18, 18, 18, 54. So the loss, here is the loss, right? Minus 2 ka loss, minus 6 ka loss. So minus 8 ka loss and 3 ka profit. So overall loss is what? Minus 5. Then I can say that loss percent is what? Loss of 5 on 59 into 100. So you can find out the answer, right? That's a simple way to solve this type of questions. Okay, now the next one. Trick 11, right? This is the trick for the day. Question is what? A man sells a bicycle at a gain of 10%. Just like the CP of bicycle is 100x. CP of bicycle is 100x. He had bought it. He sell it 10% profit. So the selling price is what? 110x, because he is selling at 10% profit. Now the condition is what? Now the condition is what? If he had bought it 10% less, if he bought it 10% less, that means he will purchase it in 90x and sold it for rupees 132 less, and sold it rupees 132 less, he would have still gained, 10%. Still he has a profit of 10%. So the profit is 10%, that means 10% of 90x, this is 9x. So he will sell it in 99x. So I can say that the first he was selling in 110x, now he is selling in 99x. So the selling price is decreased by 11x. And the value of 11x is given that 132. So the value of x is what? 12. If the value of x is 12, then the cost price is what? 100 into 12. So this is 1200. That's a simple way to solve this type of question. This is the simple way to solve this type of question. And this is very important question, right? This is very important question, and this is the best way to solve this type of questions. Okay, so now the next one. Again, same type of question. A businessman sells a commodity at a 10% profit. Just let CP is 100x and he sell at a profit of 10%. So he is selling in 110x. If he had bought it at 10% less, now he had bought it 10% less, so he will buy in 90x and sold it for rupees 2 less, then he would have gained 16 2/3% profit. Still उसको अभी भी प्रॉफिट हो रहा है 16 2/3%. 16 2/3% is what? 1/6. That means CP is 6, then profit of 1. So CP is 90. This is 15 times. So the profit is also 15 times. So the 2/3% of 90x is 15x. Then he will sell it in 105x. So I can say that the price is decreased by 5x and the value of 5x is given here -2, right? So the value of x is what? 0.4. If the value of x is 0.4, then the cost price is what? 40. That's it. Right? Clear to everyone? Okay. Now the assignment of the day that I will discuss in the next session. Okay. So this is the question. Everyone try to solve this question, and everyone try to solve this question by the same concept. Let's see कितने लोग solve करने वाले हैं. Okay. So thank you everyone for joining today, and subscribe now, and stay notified for the most amazing content on MBA World. So thank you everyone, and if you want to subscribe on Academy Plus, so just apply referral code GAGLIVE for 10% discount. Okay, so subscribe now on Academy Plus. Okay, so thank you everyone. Bye bye.